Here's a Spanish remedy that will take care of your joints. It's a recipe passed down in my family for generations. You only need a few secret ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Grab a large jar. This will be the container for our mixture. The first ingredient is avocado. Its properties are very valuable. The pulp, rich in oils, softens and nourishes wonderfully. Grate it and place it at the bottom of the jar. It should fill about half the volume. The next ingredient is thyme. Add about 6 tablespoons. This aromatic herb has long been valued for its warming effect, its ability to support healthy flow, and its protection against microbes. Now it's time for rosemary. Take a few sprigs, strip off the leaves, and add them to the jar. Rosemary stimulates, strengthens, and refreshes, while its aroma adds brightness to the mixture. Finally, add dried hibiscus flowers. They have many valuable properties: anti-inflammatory, improving flow, and supporting natural regeneration. Put them in the jar, then pour alcohol over the whole mixture. Seal the jar and let it sit so the ingredients can blend and release their power. After about 2 hours, strain the liquid through a sieve and some gauze. Massage the ready mixture into your knees, ankles, hips, or wrists. Your joints will move more smoothly, and you'll feel a pleasant sense of relaxation. A simple, natural method that has helped my family for generations. Do this 50 times a day, and your mind will thank you for it. Bend your index finger exactly as I'm showing you. This simple movement improves circulation and stimulates the nerves, which supports brain function. It's an easy habit that keeps your hands agile and can help boost your concentration, and it only takes a moment. Pour this over your feet. A forgotten home remedy is making a surprising comeback. Our grandmothers knew it well, but today hardly anyone remembers it. You only need one ingredient, something you probably already have in your kitchen: bay leaves. That simple spice you usually toss into soup? Few people know it contains essential oils and tannins with powerful properties. I'll explain in a moment. Grab a medium-sized pot, add 10 to 15 bay leaves, and pour in about 4 cups of water. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Let it cool down a bit. Once it reaches a comfortable temperature, place your feet in a basin and pour the mixture over them until fully submerged. Soak for at least 20 minutes. That's all it takes to notice a difference. Repeat this treatment 3 times a week. Bay leaves have antibacterial and antifungal properties, and most importantly, they tighten the pores of the skin. And that means one thing: less sweat, less odor, and cleaner, fresher feet. This simple foot soak can truly transform your feet. A proven method for dry and cracked heels. Rub your feet with baby oil, which deeply moisturizes and smooths the skin. Massage it in thoroughly, then apply foot cream. Finally, put on cotton socks to help the ingredients absorb deeply. An easy, homemade way to get spa-like feet. Try it before going to bed. Stick the leaves of this amazing plant to your knees before bed. It's an ancient secret that can change your life. Its power works while you rest. It's a simple trick you need to know. Sansevieria, also known as snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue, has incredible properties. It not only purifies the air, but also works like a natural healing patch. Cut 2 long Sansevieria leaves and slice them into smaller strips. Place them in a blender and blend for about a minute. Strain the mixture. You'll only need the liquid. Pour the liquid into a pan and gently heat it on low. Add a tablespoon of VapoRub. The warming effect of the ointment, combined with the plant, boosts the results. Once the mixture cools, pour it into a jar or bowl. You can use it daily. Gently massage it into your knees, elbows, or any sore areas. You'll feel relief within minutes. It relaxes tense muscles and eases pain. A natural, safe, and effective remedy powered by a plant that's been used for generations to support well-being. Sprinkle this on your toenails and forget about fungus for good. Your feet will thank you. Place your feet in a large bowl and add a cup of baking soda. It has antifungal properties and is safe for the skin. Now for the secret ingredient you've probably never used this way before. This liquid not only refreshes, but also contains antifungal and antibacterial agents. Next, pour in some white vinegar. It boosts the antiseptic effect and speeds up fungus elimination. The ingredients will react and create a foamy fizz. This foot soak helps relieve itching and irritation caused by fungal infections. Once the foam settles, soak your feet for another 10 minutes. That secret ingredient? It's mouthwash. Something most of us already have in the bathroom. Few people know how powerful it is against foot fungus. Use this soak regularly and your feet and nails will look healthy again. Add this to a bowl, and you'll notice the effect immediately. Your feet will thank you. In a small pot, add 2 tablespoons of dried oregano. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Pour in 500 milliliters of water and bring it to a boil. Strain the infusion through a sieve to remove the herbs. Now, add 100 milliliters of vinegar. This key ingredient helps cleanse and restore balance to the skin. Then, pour in 1 liter of warm water to reach the perfect temperature. It's time for a foot soak. Place your feet in the bowl and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. You'll see the mixture start to fizz. Soak your feet for about 15 minutes to let the ingredients work their magic. Your feet will feel clean, refreshed, and incredibly light. Use this detoxifying soak regularly to keep your feet healthy and comfortable. Got rid of toenail fungus in just 1 day? Do the same. Start by taking some garlic. It's a natural antibiotic with antifungal and antibacterial properties. Take 2 cloves of garlic and slice them thinly. Then chop them into small pieces. Grab a small bowl and add the chopped garlic. Next, take some ketoconazole ointment. It has strong antifungal properties and effectively eliminates fungi and yeast. Add 2 tablespoons of the ointment into the bowl. Now take some baking soda. Baking soda has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Add 2 tablespoons of it to the bowl as well. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. This combination works on multiple levels thanks to the blend of ingredients. Apply the ready-made paste to your toenails, making sure to cover every infected spot completely. With this powerful remedy, the fungus will be gone in just 1 day. Apply this to your hands, and in 5 minutes, they'll be as smooth as after a salon visit. Start by sprinkling sugar on your hands. Its fine crystals help remove dead skin cells. Next, add instant coffee. The caffeine in coffee stimulates microcirculation, reducing puffiness and improving skin elasticity. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon over the sugar and coffee. Lemon juice brightens the skin and helps diminish discoloration. Finally, add a bit of toothpaste. Each ingredient in this mix offers unique skincare benefits. Gently massage the mixture in circular motions for a few minutes, especially on areas with drier or rougher skin. The ingredients will have time to penetrate, providing extra benefits. You can also use this scrub on other areas that need brightening and smoothing. Use once a week, and your hands will look 10 years younger.